Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to set up Hire a Designer. Let's talk about key features and benefits. If customers do not have their design, nor they want to browse design from existing templates or create a new design, then they can hire a designer with this option. Hire a Designer helps your customer to get a customized design as per their choice from a dedicated designer. You can set designer cost in the product specific settings. Let's have a look into the admin. So first of all, we need to go to products, select the product and click on action and edit. Here you can see in configuration, we have product type buttons where you have to check hire a designer and save it. Now, when you go to the storefront here in the price calculator, you will see there is a option to select hire a designer, yes or no. So if you select yes, then you will see there is a button hire design for us, or you can rename it from the backend. So you have to go to the setting. Here you can change the label for your designer button, and also you can put the pricing for the designer cost. So as you can see over here, the price will get added into the total price. And when we click on hire a designer button, it will go to the additional option page where we can see the designer information, including the additional form fields. So these additional form fields we can add from the backend. So we need to go to the store configuration, manage form field section, and here you can add a new field form and select the form field type hire designer. And also you can choose for a specific product. So from the list, you can select the product in which you want to show the hire designer field. So in this way, you can use hire designer option. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further query, feel free to connect with us.